Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to remove the added keyboard language from this device. So here you can see I already added the Hindi language. If you tap on this one, you can see now this is English and this is Hindi. Okay, so let me show you how to remove the added keyboard language from this device. Simply go to settings, tap on general management, the main setting page, tap on general management, tap on Samsung keyboard settings, tap on language and type, tap on manage input language. So on the top you can see what are the languages added to your keyboard. You can see here. Now you can see I already added only Hindi. If you want to remove this one, just turn off this option. Now go back, you can see the Hindi is removed, only English is there. If you try to open your keyboard, tap on this one, you can see the globe symbol is not there. We cannot change the language. There is only English. So simply in this way we can remove the added keyboard language from this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.